Here are 5 different ways to lead generate more effectively and yield greater results. Step 1 is to actually do it. A lot of people talk about the importance of lead generation and the fact that they have it in their calendar, but most individuals never actually do as much of it as they think they do. When it comes down to lead generation, it does not matter how educated you are. It doesn't matter how skilled you are. Your race doesn't matter. Your age doesn't matter. Literally nothing matters other than the fact or the question of, are we actually talking to individuals to see if they have any pain in their world or that would enjoy or like or benefit from utilizing our product. So the first item is actually do it. The second step is tracking your numbers and looking at the scoreboard. The scoreboard and our numbers are able to tell us realistically if we're winning or losing on a consistent basis. Now, the reason why I love looking at my numbers for just the reason of seeing if we're winning or losing is so I can look at my conversion rates. Realistically, if I can look at my numbers and I can say, well, I'm having a 100% conversion rate, I probably know that I'm not making enough calls or doing enough lead generation. Now, on the other hand, if I'm having a ton of different conversations, yet I'm not returning or I'm not getting a great conversion rate in my lead generation time, I understand that I have a gap in my skills, specifically in my scripting. The third item is to script relentlessly every single day. The scripts are going to be your arsenal into ensuring that every single time you hop on the phone, there's potential to close every single person that has the opportunity to be closed. Whether you're recording yourself having that conversation, or whether it's you scripting and role playing with individuals who are better than you in having those conversations, is essential to ensure that you can close every single person who is closable and who is open to it, or has some sort of pain at the minimum. The fourth item is to follow up relentlessly. Most individuals will touch their prospect once, maybe twice. We know that in sales, you're probably gonna have to talk to the people within your database or even leads in general over 8 to 10 times in order to not only make that contact, but actually in order to provide that additional value and get that individual to buy with you. So the fourth item is to have a follow-up plan or a follow-up system in place. Now, the fifth and the last item that comes to mind is to come from abundance. I'm going to be honest with you. Nobody is going to buy from you if you have commission breath. If you go into every sale or every conversation with the mindset that I really need this, you've already lost. So that's the fifth item, is come from abundance and really come from the perspective that those individuals, those potential leads out there, those leads need me more than I need them. And really having that abundant mindset that it doesn't matter if you don't make the sale because you're not trying to sell to everybody. You're not for everybody. You're for a specific market, and the people that are wanting to win or up their lives or their quality of life, they're going to work with you.